Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a free account on the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on this Squarespace. Now you have to go on the Squarespace login. Because you have to make an account, you have to click on the create your account. Because I already make my account, so that's why I cannot make a new. But once you are in, you have to just add your email account and your Squarespace account have been logged in. Now you have to select any template and click on that template. Now you are in the Squarespace. For login the account, you have to just enter an email address and password and use a social account login such as Apple, Facebook or Google. So yeah, this is how you can make a free account on the Squarespace.